In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Discord user ID. If you've ever been asked for your user ID by support, a server moderator, or a bot developer, this is the exact identifier they mean. A precise numeric ID that's tied to your account. Copying it is quick, but it requires one small setting first. We'll begin inside the Discord app on your computer. Look to the bottom left corner of the window, right next to your username and avatar. Click the small gear icon to open User Settings. This is where all your account and app preferences live. In the menu on the left, locate the section labeled Developer. Depending on your version, it may appear under an advanced category. Open it, then turn on the option called Developer Mode. This switch enables extra context options inside Discord, including the ability to copy unique IDs. Nothing in your account changes when you enable it. It simply reveals some additional tools that stay out of the way unless you need them. With Developer Mode now on, return to the My Account page in User Settings. At the top, you'll see your profile area with your display name. Look for the three dots icon next to your display name. Click that menu, and you'll see an option labeled Copy User ID. Select it. Discord will copy your account's numeric user ID to your clipboard instantly. That's it. Your user ID is now ready to paste wherever it's needed. You can press Ctrl+V or Command+V to drop it into a message, a support form, or a note to keep for your records. If you paste it into a blank document, you'll notice it's a long number. That's normal, and it's exactly what many tools use to identify accounts reliably. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the three dots menu right away, confirm you're on the My Account page and that Developer Mode is still enabled. And while a user ID isn't a password or a token, share it only when necessary and only with trusted sources, like verified support channels. And there you go. You've turned on Developer Mode, gone to My Account, opened the three dots menu, and copied your user ID.